How to update Android on your Samsung Smart TV.
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to explore a common question: how to find and install the latest version of Android on your Samsung Smart TV. Keeping your Smart TV's operating system updated is key to ensuring optimal performance and access to the latest features and security enhancements.
Is your Samsung Smart TV running Android?
Before we dive into the update process, let's clarify an important point. Not all Samsung Smart TVs run on Android. In fact, most Samsung Smart TVs use their own operating system, called Tizen. So, the first step is to check the operating system of your Samsung Smart TV. If it's running Tizen, you won't be able to install an Android update on it.
How can I check my TV's operating system?
To find out which operating system your Samsung Smart TV uses, go to your TV's settings menu. From there, go to Support, then About this TV. You should see the operating system listed there.
What if my Samsung Smart TV uses Android?
If your TV does use Android, the process to update it is quite straightforward. Generally, your TV should update automatically when connected to the internet. But, if you need to manually update it, navigate to Settings, then Software Update. Select Update Now. If there's an available update, your TV will download and install it.
What if my Samsung Smart TV uses Tizen?
If your Samsung Smart TV uses Tizen, you can't install Android on it. However, you can still update Tizen. The process is similar. Go to Settings, then Support, then Software Update. Click on Update Now. If an update is available, your TV will download and install it. Keeping your Samsung Smart TV updated ensures you have access to the latest features and security enhancements. Whether your TV uses Android or Tizen, the process is straightforward and can usually be done in a few simple steps. We hope this guide was useful to you, and happy viewing!